Have you ever wondered how some people are making money while they sleep? How others are living the life of their dreams, luxurious cars, exotic vacations, and financial freedom, without working 24/7? In today's video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 high-yield passive income strategies for 2025 that will help you step into the world of wealth and financial independence. And trust me, you don't want to miss the final strategy. It could change everything for you. So, grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's dive into these powerful strategies that could set you up for financial freedom. Passive income. Sounds magical, right? The idea of making money without working overtime or trading time for cash is every young person's dream. But how is this even possible? The truth is, in 2025, there are real, actionable strategies you can start using right now. Think of it like this. If you can leverage the right tools, systems, and platforms, money can flow to you without you having to grind all day long. For students, this is especially important. College can be expensive, and the pressure to hustle while keeping your grades up is real. But what if I told you there are ways to earn money on the side that don't require you to sacrifice your studies or free time? Let's talk about the first strategy that will set you on the path to passive income. Strategy 1. Stock market and dividend investing. Let's start with something powerful, but often overlooked. Stock market and dividend investing. In 2025, the stock market isn't just for the big players, it's for you too. Thanks to technology, apps like Zerodha, Groww, and Upstocks make it easy to start investing with as little as 500 rupees. But here's the catch. The real power comes from dividends, a portion of a company's profits that's paid out to shareholders. Imagine this. While you're studying, your investments are working for you. The dividends you receive can grow over time, and by the time you're out of college, you could have a consistent stream of income. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm a student. I have zero knowledge about stocks. Here's the thing. You can learn. If you have a mobile phone, you have access to countless resources to get started. So why wait? The market is evolving, and the time to start is now. Strategy 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Next up, let's talk about real estate crowdfunding. Now, you might be thinking, real estate? That's only for rich people. Well, not anymore. Thanks to platforms like Property Share and SmartCoin in India, you can start investing in real estate with just a small amount of money. We're talking about fractional ownership. Instead of needing crores of rupees, you can invest as little as 10,000 rupees and still get a piece of a lucrative property. Here's why this is so powerful. Real estate continues to be one of the most stable forms of investment. And by pooling resources with other investors, you get the benefits of property ownership, like rental income and capital appreciation, without the headaches of managing the property yourself. But here's a cliffhanger for you. Did you know there are hidden opportunities in real estate that only savvy investors know about? Stay tuned for that in just a moment. Strategy 3. Affiliate marketing. Let's talk about affiliate marketing, one of the most underrated passive income streams for students. Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote products or services through a blog, social media, or YouTube, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. But here's the twist. In 2025, it's not just about posting random links. It's about strategic partnerships with brands that align with your audience. What's so great about affiliate marketing for students? It's low cost, flexible, and scalable. Start by promoting products you believe in, whether it's tech gadgets, fitness equipment, or courses, and earn commissions from the comfort of your dorm room. And hey, you don't need to be a guru to succeed in this. Heck, if I can do it, so can you. Just a little bit of hustle, and before you know it, you're generating money on autopilot. Strategy 5. Peer-to-peer lending. And finally, the big one, peer-to-peer lending. This is one of the highest yield passive income strategies for 2025, and it's gaining massive popularity in India. Platforms like Lendbox and Faircent allow you to lend your money to individuals or businesses and earn interest. You set the terms, you choose who to lend to, and in return, you receive passive income through the interest payments. But here's the truth. This is not for the faint of heart. There's risk involved, and the more you lend, the higher your potential returns. But with proper research and risk management, peer-to-peer lending can generate extremely high returns, often far surpassing what you'd make through traditional investments. So, there you have it. 4 high-yield passive income strategies for 2025 that could change your financial future. Investing in real estate with just a small amount of money. We're talking about fractional ownership. Instead of needing crores of rupees.